Right, hello everybody. I've put a little freebie up on the Ko-fi site, Ko-fi page, sorry. It's just a taster because I've just put 2 sets of like floral backgrounds. Sorry, these have been done with vellum, so you might not see. Yeah, so I've done sort of like some floral backgrounds, and I'll give you a 5-page taster, and then there's 2 more kits that I think I put them at like £1.25, something like that, for 10 pages. Okay, I couldn't get them all like 20 in together, so I had to do it in 2 separate kits. So, but because I had to do that, I give you a freebie of 5 pages. All right, now I done these in mind with for printing onto vellum. I only had tracing paper, so, and I didn't have very much. I got ordered some because I just wanted to have something that was pretty to print onto vellum for like envelopes and things like that. Do you know what I mean? So I just knew these was gonna look fantastic. So that was one. I think my printer just screwed up a little bit there. Look, just not screwed. That sounds really bad, but it actually screwed the paper up. That's what I meant. And there's another one. Hope it doesn't go too blurry. That's that way, actually. Yeah, I got a little bit of sheen on mine because it's a laser, so that's that. Another one. Yeah, they are really beautiful, and I just knew they was going to look good on vellum. Get that one, stunning. I think, you know, just come in handy for lots of things. I mean, can you imagine that one and your fairy journal? They're just, I don't know, they're dreamy. They are dreamy for sure. So that's the freebie. Right, okay. Oh, just a little pointer. If you cannot upload my freebies to, I've just set it into the group actually, onto Pinterest. I mean, if your board is secret, then you can. It's just that it doesn't link back to my Ko-fi site or anything when you do that. So you might head it, you know, Artie Mays, but yeah, they shouldn't be on there. Okay, that's the whole point of me sort of actually taking them off the group now and putting them on Ko-fi so I can see where they're going, because they was ending up for sale on Etsy and places like that, or distributed through groups and things like that. So that's why I had to change to putting them on to Ko-fi. Right, this is set 1. Okay, I did print a few onto vellum. Well, not vellum actually, this is tracing paper. So there's there. That one. That one. Yeah, that one. So when you see the ones that are printed onto paper in a minute, you I'm not done 10 pages actually. They were duplicates because I printed them on this and on paper as well, and card. They're all sorts. These are really beautiful. Okay. A sort of plainish one there, but I really liked it, and I thought that would look nice over some music paper or something like that, wouldn't it? Go. And another one. Yeah, when you see this is just when it prints out. It's not actually in the design. Sometimes it wrinkles, doesn't it? Right, so that's the actual kit, but I just wanted to show you a few pages that were printed out onto vellum or tracing paper. Okay, so these are on card actually. Printed these on card. I think that's set 1. I do think that's set 1. So yeah, it is. Okay. And that one. Right, and set 2. I didn't print any on vellum on that one, and I've done this on paper, I think, this one. Right. Okay. I see that in a bead journal. I mean, you imagine printing vellum envelopes. Oh, yep, very dreamy these are. There we are, and they're in the budget section, so grab a bargain. Okay, well, thank you very much, everybody who's already purchased it. Just that I'm a little bit behind on my videos. I should do them all first, but I never get round to it. Okay, speak soon. Bye.